Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Treasure Chest Puzzle Box. It was designed by Joseph Cole, and this version of the puzzle box was specifically made for the Puzzle Master. You will find out why when you open it and find the Puzzle Master logo inside. The entire treasure chest was made using 3D printed parts, except for a couple of pieces that are made of metal. And the design was inspired by the Legend of Zelda series. This treasure chest puzzle box has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle box is obviously to open it. This puzzle box looks exactly the same from each side, as you can see, and it is quite difficult to understand how to open it, since there is a lid right here, but you don't know where you will be opening it, on this side or on this side. And there is quite a huge compartment inside, but there is also a very small, very tiny compartment where there is a hidden message. So you have to open the box and then find that little message. There is also a small token inside, which you will be able to remove once you open the treasure chest. As I told you, all parts were 3D printed, and it is a very well printed puzzle box. The quality of 3D print is quite amazing. If you like the treasure chest puzzle box and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.